mute yourself unless it is important. Avoid speaking. Okay, kindly mute yourself. Yes. Okay, so welcome back to the class, everyone. So we are dealing with the chapter triangles, right? Yes, please mute. Yes, Rajesh L, kindly mute yourself. Yeah, so the topics are similar triangles, then we have BPT, basic proportionality theorem. It is also known as, yes, you can speak. BPT is also known as Thales theorem. Okay, yeah, and then we have similarity criteria. Similarity criteria. Okay, this is plural for criterion. So if there is only one similarity criterion, we call it as. So if there are many, this is plural form, criteria. So there are three similarity criteria. So I'll just explain the basics of this chapter. So even if you have attended the previous classes, it will be a revision for you. So you all know what are similar figures. Can anyone tell? A figure with same shape but different size. Okay, they are called as similar figure, and this is the sign for similar. Got it? Yes, please speak if you are there in the class. I always try to keep my class interactive. Only then you will understand. If you just look at it, you will get bored. So try to focus, listen to whatever I am saying, and if I ask any question, please respond. Okay? Okay. So this is about similar figures. Now what are similar triangles? When can you say two triangles are similar? Can anyone tell me? This has been already discussed in the last class. See, two triangles are similar when? When can you say these two triangles? If I write ABC and PQR, when are they similar? Can anyone tell me? I hope the screen is visible. Okay, see here. These two triangles, I will say ABC and PQR are similar. Similar means they are of same shape, but size will be different. Like if one is smaller, the other will be bigger, or if this is bigger, the other will be smaller. Okay, but when can you say? So their corresponding angles. What is the first condition? I can't hear you guys, please speak. Yes, corresponding angles are equal. And second, corresponding angles means, here see, if A in the first figure, P in the second. If B in the second figure, first figure, Q in the second. Same with this, C and R. These three are corresponding. So corresponding angles are equal. That is the first rule. Angle A equal to angle P, comma, B equals to Q, and C equals to R. This is the first rule. Second condition is their corresponding sides are in same ratio. What is the second condition? Yes, sides are in same ratio, or they are also called as, they are proportional. Yes, they are, you can simply tell it as proportional. So these two conditions. Now what is this proportionality means? See, if this size and this, it's corresponding, AB by PQ. whatever we get the value, like AB is 2 and this is 4. Okay, so the ratio is 1 by 2, correct? If I simplify, it is 1 by 2. So now the all other two sides, like all three sides of this triangle, should be in the same ratio, 1 by 2. It means if this is 4, this should be how much? QR, it should be 8. Exactly, it is double of this 2 and this is double, it's 4. So double of 4 is 8. And if this AC is 3, what will be PR? 6. Exactly. So this is the condition. So totally how many conditions are there to check whether totally this in this two we have 3 each. Okay, like 3 angles and 3 sides. AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR, and that should be equal to AC by PR. This is known as corresponding sides. So total 6 conditions are there, 6 criterias. Total how many criterias? Yes, 6 criterias. Okay, but see, every time we cannot always look for 6 conditions. Okay, like if they give you two triangles like this, so it is not necessarily that always you have to look for all the 6 conditions. Like their corresponding side should be same, angle should be same, sorry, and corresponding sides should be in same ratio. So for that we have similarity criterion. What is that? Similarity criteria. Yes, criterions. So that we are going to learn today, and we will solve problems on all type of questions. Okay, so totally we have 3 similarity criterions. How many? Yes. What are these? See, two triangles will be similar. If I write A B C triangle is similar to triangle PQR, when we have these 3 conditions, if we are getting these 3 conditions satisfied, okay, any one of these 3, okay, any one of these 3. So first one is known as AAA, triple A similarity criterion. Got it? What is the first one? Yes, AAA, or it is also known as AA criteria of similar triangles. AA criteria or AA criterion of similar triangle. Now what is it? See, I will explain this first. So these two triangles are given, okay? So if the three corresponding angles, like A is equal to P, B angle is equal to Q. So definitely C will be equal to which one? R. R, correct? Okay. So see, this is the first condition. So if these three corresponding angles are equal, so their corresponding sides will be in same ratio. It is understood. Always remember, only if three angles we are getting as equal, their corresponding angle are proportional, and if they are proportional, we can say these two triangles are similar. So this is only known as AAA criterion. Got it? Understood about AA criteria? Yes. So you should know, if three corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides will be proportional, and hence the two triangles will be equal. Now coming to second one, it is known as SSS criteria. What is it known as? SSS. Okay. So what does it mean? See, if two triangles are given again, okay, just learn the basics. Proof you can learn it later. If you know basics, you can solve the problems of 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so these are two triangles ABC and PDEF. Now we have to see what is this SSS criterion. See, these two triangles will be similar if corresponding sides are if only corresponding sides are proportional, like AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, and that is equal to AC by DF. If this three condition is given, even if they have not given any angle, okay, see, originally we have total 6 conditions, 3 angles and 3 sides, right? But out of these 6, only if we have these 3, like their corresponding sides are proportional, then automatically their corresponding angles will be equal, and hence these two triangles are similar. Got it? This is second condition. First one was based on angle. Angle will be given already. Second condition, sides will be given already. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. So third one is known as SAS. What is it? Yes, SAS criterion of similar triangles. Okay. So see, this is very important. Okay. So two triangles are given. Now what is this SAS? It means side angle side. So if there is a angle, okay, if this angle is equal, example this 30 degree and even this is 30 degree, and here this is ABC, this is PQR. Now corresponding angle is equal, anyone corresponding angle is equal, and the sides including these angles, sides including this angle. So which side is including this 30 degree in first one? AB and BC, correct? Are you getting? See, corresponding angle, for example, B is equal to Q. Got it? Now, which angle? This angle 30. It's been made by only these two sides, no, AB and BC, right? And here it is made by PQ and QR. So, if one angle is equal and the sides including this angle, this is very important. Example here AB, here PQ, and here BC, and here QR. So if one angle is equal and sides including these angle is proportional, then we can say these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are similar. Got it? Not congruent. Okay, for example, see here, if they give you something like this, okay, this is 40 degree and here it is 40 degree, this is 2 4, and here it's 2 4. Now this is ABC and this is PQR. Can you tell these two triangles are similar? No, it is not. Why? Because see, what is the corresponding angle of B in this? It is R, right? Yeah. Based on diagram only you can solve the problem. But first understand the concept. I am explaining here the concept. If that is clear, you can solve any type of question. Okay. See here, these two figures are not similar. Can anyone tell me why? See, this B angle was 40, okay, and its sides including these angle are 2 by 4. Here it is 2 by 4 this side, but angle is this side. So it is not included angle. The angle should be here. Only then these two will be similar. Got it? So this is the difference. So I hope you have got a little idea on these. Once we solve the problem, you will understand. Okay? Okay. And you already know about BPT, right? There is no need of explanation. BPT means if two Two triangles are, if one line is parallel to a side, then the other two sides are proportional, correct? I think this you know. Okay, so if PQ is parallel to BC, what can we say? We can say AP by BP is equal to AQ by QC, correct? Right, so you should remember this as well. So let's see the problems now. Okay, so I have already solved most of the questions in our last classes. Let's see the pending ones now. Okay, yeah. So question number 12, it is based on similarity. Can you see question number 12, everyone? Okay, so can you try by yourself? I'll explain, but I want you to think. Keep a pen, pencil, or anything where you are writing with you, and whichever problem you solve, try to learn it by practicing. Okay, see, here two figures are given. One figure, yeah, in this figure, this one, ACB, triangle ACB. Okay, so this is ACB. Can you see it? ACB triangle is similar to triangle APQ. They are giving themselves. This is similar to triangle APQ. Yeah. So ACB is equal to congruent or similar. Yeah, similar to APQ. Now AB is 6. AB is how much? 6 centimeter. BC is 8. Where is BC? Yeah, it's this side. 8 centimeter. PQ is 4. So this is PQ. PQ is 4. Then find the length of AQ. This is AQ. So if two triangles are similar, we can use BPT. Got it? How can you solve this? Since we can write like this, since triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. Say here you should write like this, based on this data itself. AC, what is corresponding side of AC? If you look at the figure, yes, AC, this is AC, its corresponding side is AP. Okay, so instead of looking at diagram, you look this value here, these three names AC. Here like first two you are taking, so this side also first two, so AC by AP, this should be equal to, next if I take CB here, what I am going to take this side? PQ, exactly, second one. Now the third, if I take AB, what should be there? AQ, exactly, very good. Now see, based on data we have to take any two ratio, not all three. So look here, AB, so AB this one, BC this one, CB or BC both are same, PQ is also included in this, so no need of writing this in next step. You can write directly here, BC by PQ is equal to AB by AQ. Any doubt? Understood? So just substitute, BC is 8 divided by PQ is 4 equals to AB. AB is how much? 6. AQ is unknown. So just do the cross multiplication. AQ will be equal to 4 into 6 by 8. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what is the answer? Yes, option number C. So this can be asked for 2 mark also. So that's why I'm explaining with whole step. Understood? Yes, any doubt? Are you guys getting? Okay. So see, this is based on similarity. They have directly given similar. So if they are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Remember that. Got it? And using that concept, we can solve the problems. Now just look at question number 13. Can you tell me the answer? Question number 13. First, you need to solve. You need to bring the two triangles, similar conditions. Yes, someone is saying 6. Okay, how it is 6? Okay, see here, everyone. Can you see the figure? Yeah, look carefully. See, value of x. X is what side? Which side? It is AC, correct? AC is unknown, x. Now, what is given here? We can write that here. CD is given 4, correct? And BC is given as 16 centimeter. That's all. Anything else they have given? No, right? Yeah. So you need to find the value of x. Yeah. So if I take two triangles, see AD is common in both, isn't it? Okay, but which both? Look here. If you look at the figure first, which two triangles will be similar? First you have to write that. See here, if I take triangle BAC, BAC. Okay, are you getting me? Yes, mute yourself. BAC and triangle, who is that? Please mute some Farzana Sheikh. Mute yourself. Yeah. BAC. Now BAC, A is 90 degree. They have given. If you look at the figure, what is A? A is 90 degree, and here D is 90 degree, right? Isn't it? And if you look at here, C, and if I take again BAC, I'm taking 1. So here A and here D, both of them are 90. And second, if I take the triangle ACD, BAC and ACD, or ADC, it will be, not ACD. Can they be congruent? Can they will be similar? AC, sorry, ADC. Yes. How can you say they are similar? See, I can write here. First, you need to prove they are similar. So BAC in ABC triangle is equal to ADC. What is the reason? Both of them are equal to 90 degree, correct? Isn't it? And second, in triangle, you can write it separately or also if you're not getting. See, you can write here. If I see, I will write like this. This is BAC, and the second figure is like this. This is ADC. Okay. So angle A is equal to angle D, and which is common in both, angle C over both, correct? Here ACB is equal to ACD. Why? Both of them are common. C, you can see here, C is common in both. So we already got two conditions. So we can say BAC triangle is similar to triangle ACD. Using which condition? Which criteria? AA criteria. Got it? Yes. If they are similar, we can write this. They are proportional. BA by AD. BA by AD will be equal to AC by DC. and that should be equal to BC by AC, correct? Any doubt? Yes, have you understood this? Okay. Now substitute the values. AC we need to find. So if you can take these two. Why? Because AC is there. AC by CD is equal to BC by AC. Substitute. AC is X. So X by X. Here X and CD is how much? 4 is equal to BC is 16 divided by again X. Do cross multiplication. So it is X square and this is 16 into 4 is 64. So X is root of 64. What is root of 64? What is the answer? Are you guys there? Yes, 8. So have you understood how we got the answer? See here, these all are of MCQ. But unless you know the concept, you just cannot write whether it is 8 or 5 or 4. So you should know how I am solving that. You should remember. Understood? And sorry? No, in MCQ only if you write options. Okay, like this is 13th. The 13th answer, you just write option, that is enough. But you can do rough work. This you can do it roughly somewhere in the last page. Only then you will get the answer. Got it? If you don't know, how can you write? If you don't know, you can take any one option, write it and leave. Okay? Don't leave any MCQ question. Who knows? Whichever you write, that might get correct based on your luck. Okay? No need to solve this long, but if you don't know, you will not get this answer. In exam, you can write it somewhere in the rough sheet or rough paper, and then you can just write the final answer in the answer paper. Understood? Are you guys getting? So you can see which type of how are you going to solve, which type of similarity criteria is being used. Okay, these all are MCQ. First you need to have the knowledge. Okay, next question number 18. Again, similar thing. Can anyone tell me the answer? Which condition you are using to prove they are similar? You need to find the value of X. You need to find the value of X. Yes. So how are you going to solve it? Yes. Anyone? See here. This is a figure. I can name this as this is O. I'll name this as CD, line CD, and this I can name this AB. Now can you see two triangles there? If you see properly, this is COD. Okay, and the other triangle can be AOB. Got it? And these two sides, if you look here carefully, AB and CD, they are parallel, correct? So these two angles will be equal. Angle D will be equal to angle A. Why? Can you tell me what is the reason? They are alternate. Alternate interior angles are always equal. Similarly, angle C will be equal to B. So it means if I take triangle COD and here BOA, so angle D is equal to what? Angle A. Similarly, angle C is equal to B. C is equal to B. And this O is equal to O. Why it is equal? What is the reason of COD equal to AOB? Can anyone tell me? Exactly. They are vertically opposite angles. So these three conditions shows that these two triangles are similar using AA criteria, right? So that you have to write for 2 mark question. I am not writing here. I'll directly write these two triangles. Triangle COD is congruent to triangle BOA. Don't write AOB. You will get wrong. Got it? CO. Why CO? Because this side is congruent to this. That's why. Okay. So now you can write CO by BO is equal to OD by OA, and that is equal to CD by what? CD by anyone? Look at this and tell me. AB, exactly, good. Now they have given the value of CD and OD. So these two you can use. OD is how much? 15, no? OA is 40. CD is 24. AB is unknown, X. This is 16 or 15. This is 15 only, no? Or 16? CD, OD. Just verify it. So do the cross multiplication. You'll get X is equal to 24. 16 it is. Okay, let's solve it one by one. 24 into 40 by, it should be 16. If you take 15, let's see. We'll try with both 15 and 16. So here 5, 3 is a, this is 5 8s. This is 3 1s. This is 3 8s. So 8 8s 64. Okay. So if it is 15, then you are getting 64 is the answer. Let's check with this. So 16 means 8 3s are 8 2s are. Correct? 2 1s are 2 20s are. This is 60. Even that option is also available. Okay. So if it is 15, see, the answer should be 64. If it is 16, the answer should be 60. Okay. I don't know what is it. I think it is 15 only. Can you see it properly? It is 15. So 64 is the right answer. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then 64 is correct. Got it? Any doubt? Okay. Good. So I hope you are understanding. Now question number 21. I am not going in order because we have already solved the problems which I am ignoring. Okay, now can you tell me 21st answer? B. Okay, so one of the answer is B. What they are telling in triangle ADE and ABC. Okay, so if I write here ADE and one more is ABC. Okay, in these triangles D is equal to B. Okay, this D is equal to B and E is equal to C. E equals to C. Then which of the following is incorrect, they are asking. So these two triangles are similar. So I can write AD by AB. Correct? Let us write the correct one first. Then DE by, what will be DE by? BC, exactly. And AE by? AC. Good. So now, which condition? You have to see these two or these two or these two might be given. So AD by DB is equal to AE by CE. Okay. DB they are asking. Oh, sorry. So it is in same triangle, I guess. It's like this. ABC here and ADE there. So AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. These two conditions should be correct. So this is right. AD by AB. Okay, and AE by AC. Even this is correct. That is corollary. Now here DE by BC. DE by BC, okay, is equal to AD by AB. Even this is correct. AE by AC, small side, big side AC. DE by BC, even this is correct. All of them are correct. What is it? Again, let's check. AD by DB, small side, DB, small side. Okay, good. AE by CE, even this is fine. Okay, what is B option? AD by AB. AD small side, AB is big side. AE small, AC big, even that is fine. DE by BC, okay, and AD by AB, AE, AC, DE, BC, okay. Yes, which option do you find correct? Incorrect. B. What is the reason? We are getting all of them equal itself. In triangle ADE and ABC. D is no, let's see some mistake. Okay, based on data, D is equal to B. Okay, these two sides, correct. E is equal to C. Okay, these two sides, E is equal to C. Then which of the following is incorrect? A is common. AD by DB, small side, AE by CE. Okay, AD by AB, small by big. AE by AC, again small by big. D by BC. Okay, if you write them separately, okay, let me write it, not in one. Let us write it separately, and then we'll use similarity condition. Okay, so this is A D E and this is A B C. Are you getting, guys? Okay, D B, same same. E C, same same. Okay, so A D E triangle, if I write A D E, will be similar to A B C. Okay, so AD by AB, AD by AB is equal to DE by BC, and that is equal to AE by AC, right? Correct. This is the condition. Now look at here. If you look at this second one, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC we have, AD by AB, that also we have. So this is correct. Now DA by BC, we have AD by AB, even that is there. So even this is correct. AE by AC and DE by BC, even that is there. Only this condition is not there. Option A. Are you getting? So option A is correct. Means as per the data, this is not given in this. So that is the incorrect option. Understood? Yeah, yeah. These three are correct. They are asking which one is incorrect. So option A. Understood? These two triangles are similar. They are separate, not in same. So we are not using BPT here. We are using AA criteria. Are you getting that? Yeah. So this is easy, but only if you know the difference. Understood? See, even using this data, just using common sense, see how in all of these three they have taken denominator as bigger. Again here denominator the bigger size. Again here the denominator is bigger size. Only in this one is bigger, smaller size, and the other is again smaller. Correct? D, B, C, E, they are smaller size, means a smaller side. So using that trick also you can write this. Understood? Everyone? Yes. Are you guys getting? Do you have any confusion in this? Only if you practice, it will be easier. Understood? Okay. Now let us go to the other type. So 25, 26. Next 27A, 29, 30, 31. Yes. Now question number 32. So we have already they are asking statement of AAA criterion, so that you can write from textbook itself. Okay. Now tell me the answer of 33. These all are 1 mark question. They are asking you in the given figure write the similarity criterion used to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. So which condition will be used? They are not given any option. You have to look at the data and write. You have to look at the figure. It is SSS, correct? Yes. Why? See, these two triangles, if you take their ratio, AB by QR, and that will be equal to BC by RP, and AC by which one? QP. Now substitute. AB is 2. QR is how much? 4. So 2 by 4. BC is 2.5. RP is how much? 5. And AC is 3 and PQ is 6. So if you simplify, you'll get 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. It means corresponding sides are in same ratio. Got it? So corresponding sides are in same ratio means all three sides are in same ratio. So this is similar based on SSS criterion of similar triangle. Got it? This is the answer. SSS criterion of similar triangles. Understood? Yes, good. So next coming to 34 done. 34 we have already done. 35, 36. Yeah, 37. Yes. Can you tell me the answer? Two triangles are similar. So you can write directly. POQ is similar to triangle ROS. PQ is parallel to SR. Okay, these two are parallel. And they have given PQ is to SR. So PQ is to SR. PQ 1 is to 2. Then what is OS is to OQ? OS, OQ. So these two triangles are similar. So you write the conditions, similarity conditions. PO by, tell me quickly, I will not tell. PO by what? RO, good. OQ by OS. PQ by RS. These three are equal. Now based on criteria, Substitute based on the given data. PQ is given, so this one you can take. PQ is how much? 1. uh, 1. Okay, RS is 2. So what is OS? Here we have OQ by OS. So if you look here, they are asking ulta, OS by OQ. So just tilt it, OS by OQ. In RHS also this become 2 by 1. So answer is 2 is to 1. Got it? Any doubt here? Very easy question, just little tricky, isn't it? Yes, so you need to practice. Next, 37 is done. Okay, 38, where are you? Yes, 38 here. This we have already solved. Yes, now coming to 2 mark section. 39. Can you try? Are you guys there? Anyone having any doubt? Someone has raised their hand. If you have any doubt, and others, those who are present in the class, are you understanding or just for the namesake have you joined? Please keep it interactive. Only then you will be understand. You will be understanding only if you write it and take part in discussion. Maths is all about interaction and learning. It should be interactive. Are you guys getting? If you are understanding, please give me a thumbs up quickly. Everyone, those who have understood, give a thumbs up. So let me see whether you are present in the class or no. Everyone, those who are there in the class, give a thumbs up quickly. If you are not giving, I will assume that you are forcefully present in the class. Okay, chalo, fine. So only few are answering. That's why I am asking you all. Try to answer. Okay, everyone should take part. Okay. Now look at third main 2 mark section. Okay. So first question, that is question number 39. In parallelogram ABCD, E is midpoint of AB and BE cuts CD at F. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to CFB. So they have given any figure? No. So if you draw a figure, you will get half marks in your exam. Okay, so just see how are you going to solve this. Unless you write figure, you will not get marks. Figure should be written. So let me write it roughly. Okay, let me see if there is any option to draw. Like bhai, yes, parallelogram. अच्छा, ऐसे बन गया. Ah, good. चलो. So this is parallelogram ABCD. E is midpoint of AD and BE cuts CD at F. Okay, so I'll name this as A, B, C, D. Okay, now E is midpoint of AD. Okay, so here E is there, it is midpoint. Second data is BE cuts, BE cuts CD, BE cuts CD at F. Okay, ABE, ABE CFB, CFB. Okay, okay, here this question, BE cuts CD. Okay, CD it will be extended, I guess. CD it is extended like this, and this is joined with like this. Okay, so BE it cuts CD at F. This is F. Got the data? Any doubt? Understood how to write the figure? Okay. Now what is given here? E is midpoint. So it means what? First you should write data, whatever is given. So given as per data, AE should be equal to ED, correct? And since it is a parallelogram, I can write AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Why? They are opposite sides. Exactly. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. And this is because they are midpoint. So this all you should keep a note one side. Now they are asking to prove triangle. So I'll write in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Okay, so ABE. This, can you see here? Yes, this is ABE and CFB. CFB, the bigger one. Okay, CFB. Yeah. So you need to prove these two. So to prove these two as similar, either you have to use SSS or AA or SAS. So which can you use? Can you tell me? Just by common sense, which can you use? SSS can we use? SSS like side, side, side. So which three sides are equal? Have they given any data there? Three sides are proportional? No. So you cannot use SSS. Now look at AA. Can we use AA? If you look at it carefully, yes, we can use it. See here. If you look in this triangle, angle A and here angle C, they are equal, correct? And also here B and here F. If you look carefully, they are forming which type of angle? Exactly, alternate interior angle. So using these two, like exactly. So you can write BAE angle is equal to BCF. Reason you should write, they are opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. I'm not writing, but you should write. These two angles are equal first. And second, I can write angle ABE, okay, is equal to BFC. Yes. What is the reason? Alternate interior angle or just alternate angle. So only these two condition is enough to show these two triangles are similar. But you should write it here. AA criteria. Got it? Any doubt? Easy, right? So based on only this data, you will get full marks. Even if you don't write this, it is fine. अरे what है बे? क्या हो गया? इधर गिरेगा. Yes. Even if you don't write this data, but if you have written this figure and this answer with the reasons, you will get the full marks. Got it? Okay. So let's move to question number 40. I hope you have understood this. Okay, so can you try 40, 40, anyone? Question number 40. It's easy. Just you have to draw the figure, understand, substitute the value. Got it? Okay? Yeah, try. So they have given in triangle ABC. Okay. D is parallel to BC. Okay, so it is in same figure. DE is parallel to BC. AD is 2.4. Okay, AB, this bigger side is 3, AC, this bigger size is 5. You have to find AE. Let this be X. So you have to use BPT. What? Yes, but in exam, how will you write? How will you start? That is important. If you write directly BPT, but why? What is the reason? That is the question. See, since it is given in the data, since DE is parallel to BC, we can write here AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, not EC, bigger side. So why? Reason corollary of BPT. It is BPT only, but corollary. Even if you write BPT, you will get marks. This is very important. Without reason, they will cut. This is 2.4, AB is 3, AE is unknown, AC is 5. Do the cross multiplication and tell me the answer. So 5 into 2.4 by what is this? 3.8. 8 5 is 44. Yes, 4.0 centimeter. You should write the unit also. Got this? 4 centimeter. Got it? Yes. So do we have time? Or is it over? Shall we solve? Okay. Shall we solve some more problem or shall I stop it here? Okay, 40 is done. Yeah, 42. Look at the question number 42. Try. Similarly, you should not get scared. Most of the student get scared from the chapter triangle because they don't understand it. But if you understand and practice, you can easily solve each type, any type. I can see most of the students are running away. Not a problem. It's their loss. Yes, can you try figure? Have you drawn? You can show me the figure if you have drawn. Question number 42. No one trying? Yes, anyone who has tried this? Okay. Anyone else? Have anyone tried and you are getting? No one? Okay, this girl Marshuha. I don't know how you pronounce. Are you getting? Arya. Arya. I don't know what the name. Bhanu Prasad. I'm reading the name, it is visible on the screen. It might be your parents' name also. So pardon me. I don't know your actual name. Okay, see, I'll only explain it. You should read based on data. Roughly, you can try first. Then once you got, you can write that in the final answer. See what they are telling. Two line segment AB and CD intersect each other at O. Okay. So if I take two line, this is AB and CD, like this CD. They are intersecting at O. Okay. Next, join AC. Okay, I'll join here AC and BD. Okay, BD, such that AC is parallel to BD. Okay, AC should be parallel, so this should be straight like this. Got it? These two are parallel. Next, prove that AOC, this triangle AOC is similar to BOD. Now can you try? Yes, have you understood? Yeah, this is the figure. See, which criteria are you going to use to prove this similarity? Side angle side. Okay, which side and which angle? AA. Yeah, that is easier always. Since see these two sides are parallel, this will be alternate angle, correct? Whenever we have parallel sides, we already get one alternate angle. And since it is a cross mark here, they are intersecting, we also have vertically opposite angle. So you can write that ACO is equal to ODB. Reason, alternate angle, as AC is parallel to BD first. Secondly, AOC is also equal to BOD. Reason, vertically opposite angle. So only using these two we can say AOC is similar to triangle BOD. Reason, AA criteria. Easy? Understood? So this is how you have to try. They all are easy, but only after practicing. So I hope it's clear. Any doubt till here? Okay. So this is the lengthiest class I have taken. Recording it's showing around 1 hour 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, fine then. I'll stop the class here. Okay. Thank you for joining everyone. Soon I'll be uploading this on my YouTube channel. Most of you are not sharing it. Try to do that.